Good day, sir. I'm Marvin Pantonan Jr. and I am 18 years old. I'm here to share the institutional objectives and core values of our school, Northwestern Agusan Colleges. They serve as our roadmap for quality education and good character. First are 5 objectives. Equipment student with critical thinking, creativity, and global competence. We We train you not just to memorize but to analyze problems, create new ideas, and thrive anywhere in the world. And cultivate a passion for continuous personal and professional growth. We inspire you to keep learning, improving your skills, and building your character long after you graduate. Prepare graduates to become catalysts for positive change. We want you to be leaders and contributors who help develop our region and make an impact. Have beyond it, collaborate with stakeholders to address local and global challenges. We work together with families, community, and partners to solve real issues around us, maintain high standards in teaching, research, and operations. We commit to delivering excellent education and running the school with quality and integrity. Core values. To achieve these goals, we live by three core, core values. Social responsibility, caring for others, protecting our environment, and serving the community. Self-discipline, doing the right thing, following rules, and staying focused even when no one is watching. Integrity, being honest, truthful, and consistent in words and actions at all times. These objectives and values guide every student, teacher, and staff. Let us live them out every day. Thank you and have a great day.